Hi and welcome to JJ with Joy. I wanted to share my latest journal, and yes, it's a winter journal. Don't get on me about that. I don't know if you guys can see, but I added some glossy accents on the front of the cover, and I think it just adds a lot to the cover by doing so. Now I made this cover with just cereal boxes doubled over, and this is Fabi Art Studios digital kits, and I just love her kits. But you know, the only thing is they're kind of small, so you have to buy more than one, or you have to add in your own stuff to it. So let's get into it. This lays pretty flat, not fat, but flat. Yes, and I have 3 signatures in this, and I've just added a little bit here and there to just make a little bit of ephemera. You know, they don't come with ephemera, so you just create your own out of it. Go where your heart takes you. I did make some pulled out, I found some paper that kind of matches this. I don't know if you can tell, but it has kind of a cloud look to it, and I really like that. So I made just blank little paper pads. I did that a few places in here. This is Live, Create, Tell the Story. I added another digital kit where I just bought some coffee dyed lines, which I really like. And I added some specialty papers in here, and I did some stamping. This has just a rusted pin on it. It's blank on the back. And this is another kit as well. You know, I forget the names of everybody's kits. I think, you know, I could guess, but I really don't know. So I used the stamp from Tim Holtz and made my own little piece there. Another specialty paper, I like that. It looks all ribbed and yummy. And I think this is Bohemian Crafting. I'm not 100% sure. But a specialty paper in there. I took the extra pieces and I just kind of made my own ephemera with using die cuts and stuff. I have a lot of specialty paper, and I like adding it into the journals. I think it adds a lot. It gives writing space because sometimes the spaces are so busy. Now, if someone wanted to, they could add like a piece down here of just coffee dyed paper or something to write over, or, you know, on here. I just left it as is because I kind of like that style. I had a couple leftover, you know, pieces, so I thought, well, why not stick them in there? Let me get going on this. I believe this is Tim Holtz's little die cut. I'll get it out of my mouth here. I always use dried tea to make it look like dirt under animals and trees and stuff, so that's kind of one of my favorite things to do when I'm making a woodland journal. This was actually together, and I just cut it to make ephemera. I'm just trying to use up so many of my digital kits that I have already printed off and incorporate them. I love the blue, and I just made a piece of ephemera out of one of the digital pages there. Very pretty. I like the tabbed look, and I just made a whole bunch of these. So I just added them in, stamped in the same color, tried to replicate the same color. Inside, I just put a couple of iridescent buttons in the center of the signature here. So I only have that in the one. I found a little pretty winter scene. It says, "Live your dreams with passion." I just added that on. Another little tag. I tried to keep it fairly simple. Now this was a sheet, and I folded it over and just, you know, glued it down, made my own ephemera out of some of the pages. So there is repetitiveness of, you know, but it's not all in one piece, so therefore you may not recognize that it even is the same. Added some birds up there, more trees. If you're interested in the journal, let me know. I love this die cut. It's a pretty die cut. I feel like I'm running off the page here, sorry. Hope everybody's doing okay today. Well, not just okay, but well. there's that specialty paper again. Pardon my throat. I've been dealing with a little bit of asthma type stuff, and I found that the inhaler works a little bit, but I forgot this morning to use it, so you know, it's all new to me. This just has a little string on the rusty pin. Here's another one of those little books I said I had made. This one did not have the stuff on the inside though, but it does have the cloud looking paper in it. It says adventure awaits you. Oops, skipped a few pages. Whoopsie daisy. Oh, I put those back to back. I didn't realize I had done that. Oh, well, it's not. It's just a card that you could write inside. Love was meant for a great adventure. I was going to say, I tried not to put them too close to each other. And then this is the back page. I've signed it. And there you go. I hope you like the journal. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more from me, ring the bell. You can get the notifications as they come in. And for next time, I'll see you there. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a wonderful day, everybody.